Ever had a hiccup and wondered what the heck is going on? Hiccups are those annoying little spasms of your diaphragm. They happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, causing you to inhale quickly. This quick inhale then closes your vocal cords, creating that distinctive hic sound. But what causes these pesky hiccups? Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even excitement. Sometimes they can be a sign of something more serious, but that's rare. Most hiccups go away on their own, but there are plenty of remedies to try. From holding your breath to sipping water upside down, people have their favorites. So next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your body having a little fun.